Only a short flight away lies the diverse pleasures and gorgeous coastlines of the Canaries. Located in a fantastic area, this beach is a white sanded paradise where you can laze around and recharge your batteries. But sometimes a day on the sands just isn't enough. Satisfy your adrenaline cravings on a high-speed banana boat, or spend a tranquil afternoon on the waters on a pedalo. For anyone feeling really adventurous, take a peek at the big beautiful world below us with some of the best scuba diving in the world. Make sure you don't miss the nearby attractions. Has this beach captured your imagination? Then it's time to get packing.